As the industries of the world drive a digital transformation of their business, they are looking to bring more flexibility, resource utilization, and intelligence to their operations. They want to transform their fixed function and non-network connected legacy equipment to the new digital world for manufacturing, energy, medical, transportation, and more. New modern software technology is delivering efficiencies, cost savings, and more actionable insights to businesses and end users. Now, developers in these segments are looking to deliver next-generation products to their markets. Wind River has been providing proven critical infrastructure solutions to the aerospace, defense, energy, industrial, medical, and transportation leaders for nearly 40 years. Wind River has virtualization and containerization technology solutions that help developers to embrace digital transformation to modernize their product offerings. This allows equipment companies to create next-generation products that provide more system flexibility, safety and security functions, efficiencies, cost savings, and more edge data intelligence. Wind River Helix Virtualization Platform is an operating environment achieved by a Type 1 hypervisor that manages and allows the creation of virtual machines for a heterogeneous or mix of operating systems for application consolidation, supporting both real-time safety-critical and non-safety-critical applications. Wind River Titanium Control and Wind River Linux enable developers to utilize technologies such as Kubernetes and Docker to deploy to both embedded and cloud systems using cloud-native container solutions. Additionally, containers can run on a virtual machine using Linux on the Helix platform. Wind River and Intel have worked together on providing digital transformation solutions, so Wind River solutions can run on innovative equipment based on Intel Atom processors, Intel Core i5 processors, or Intel Xeon processors. So, whether an automation company is looking to bring competitive innovations to their control automation systems via application consolidation for more intelligent control to the factory edge, an energy equipment manufacturer looking to add cost savings features via a predictive maintenance system, a medical equipment manufacturer building the latest MRI machine to securely and safely process and communicate patient data, or a bullet train engine manufacturer needing a real-time safety control system. Wind River's Helix Virtualization Platform, or Wind River Containerization Technology, can help deliver digital transformation to your business and customers.